AK sir, your English language tutor.
Hello guys, today we are going to learn some prepositions like in, on and at. But before moving ahead, please subscribe my channel for interesting videos. Preposition. A preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun, pronoun or noun phrase to show direction, time, place, location, special relationships or to introduce an object. Some examples of prepositions are words like in, at, on, off and to. In. Examples: in the house, in a car, in a boat, in a taxi, in a traffic jam. On. Examples: on the corner, on a bus, on a train, on the way, on a plane. At. Examples: at home, at university, at the bus stop, at the traffic lights, at work,